Good afternoon, guys. I'll be taking you the process at which you are going to create your Instagram account and probably linking it with your Facebook page. So the first thing to do is go to your Facebook, then come to this side, use something like pages, then just select create. That is, you're creating a new page. Then go to get started. Select the category. If you're into fashion, probably search for maybe designer fashion, women's clothes shop, clothing shop, stuff like that. And maybe um, entertainment. If you're into entertainment, you could probably click entertainment. If you're into blogging, personal blog. If you're into beauty, cosmetic, and personal care, so you could probably click that one. And you could as well select more than one category. So let's just select one. Let's say um, should I use entertainment? Let's just use okay. Men's. Let me try fashion. So let me use design and fashion. Let me try fashion again. Let me see what's related to fashion. Let's use clothing shop. So something like women's clothes shops and so on. So you could probably start with that, then go to next. Name of your page. Let's make it we shop. Let's see if it's available. Then select next. Okay. Do you want an address? You could probably put an address if you have a physical shop. But if you don't have a physical shop, just select I don't want to add an address, then select next. So you might be asked to add a picture or cover photo or something. So select add a picture, then let's see, let's use this as a sample. Use add a cover photo. You could probably select this as a cover photo, then go to done. Put on next steps. Next, invite friends. So you could probably invite friends, maybe one of your friends, something, sure. Then send invitation. Check the next thing. Connect to WhatsApp. So you could probably connect to your WhatsApp. Put the number there and so on. So now this is our Facebook page. Our Facebook page is active, and if you want to make it more professional, that means you have to make some settings there. To go to your settings, come to the side, general settings. So you have to fill it with your information. Maybe okay, come to page information. So about your this thing, about your business, content not found. So you could add your website if you have a website, if you have contact, maybe you want them to reach you with phone number or an email address, or on your page you want them to be able to maybe message you directly or message you via WhatsApp or something, or you want to add location and so on. So the action button, that's the function of the action button. Do you want them to contact you straight, to call you straight, or you want them to send you message? So you could do send a message, then select save. So that is actually functioning. So something like that, if you want them to know about you, the link you click may be broken or expired. This permission to read this page. Okay. So you could probably put about us and so on. So now if you want to link it to your Instagram account, you come here, can see Instagram, connect account, then confirm. So you have to do what? Log into your Instagram account. So you can connect your Instagram, your Facebook page to your Instagram account through that process, or probably you come to your Instagram. You just have to fill all the information here, all the information in there, the page info, the messaging, the notification, and so on. And the messaging part of it is okay, maybe when they want to message you, what you want, like what you want your page to probably pop up whenever they want to message you. So your instant reply. hi, thanks for contacting. I've received your message and I appreciate you're getting in touch. So you could probably adjust it to anything of your choice. Maybe let's just say, I welcome to web page, blah blah blah. So you could just put it there and so on, then save. So anytime someone is dropping you a message, that will be the instant reply, and do you get something like that? So that's that about the page. Just modify it and make it look professional. Upload pictures. If you want to upload pictures there, go to something like photo or publish and so on. If you come to publish to what's on your mind, you could add photo or live video or background color and so on. So that's that about the Facebook page and how to connect it to your Instagram. And if you want to connect it from your Instagram to your, if you want to connect it from the Instagram to your Facebook page and not from, the first one I did was connecting from your Facebook page to your Instagram account, like using it through Facebook, and you can try it as well through like via Instagram, so you can connect it to your page. So you come to this side, come here, come to settings, so you can see update messaging, so follow and invite friends and so on. So account center, you can see account profile. It's actually connected to what? Man opaque. So if you are not connected to any page, so on coming here, it will allow you to add an account to, that is a Facebook account, to your Instagram account. So that's that about that. Come in here, come to your account. There is something we call add new professional account. Or if you don't have a professional account, you'll be able to say add a professional account. That is, you change on opening an Instagram account, it's just a normal account. That is, it's just your normal account as a user. So if you are now into business, you now change to what? Professional account. Because initially I've changed this to professional account. That is why it is saying switch account type. So you can just switch back to personal account. So you can see I've switched back to personal accounts. Can you see? But if you are using a personal account and you want to switch to professional account, so do what? Switch to professional account. Can you see? Then reach more people, get new contacts. So you select your category, what you're into, maybe entrepreneur, then select what? Done. This is taking time. So can you see creator, maybe best for public figures, content producers, artists and influencers, best for retailers, so you select business, select next. Then put your information, select next. So it will now ask you that, do you want to connect to your Facebook page? So far you've created your Facebook page, you now connect to any of the Facebook pages you have. So I created the Wishop, then select Wishop. And try it again. Page is already linked to an Instagram account that has been linked to my Instagram account. So that is that on how to connect to your Facebook page. Then after you've switched to your professional account, then you start posting, and I'll teach you guys in the next class how to do your page promotion and how to get traffic on your page. Thank you for your time.